Good morning, everyone. It is 4:30 in the morning. It's just below freezing, and I'm on my way to a mountain I've been meaning to do for a while now. I'm from Connecticut, so this is the tallest summit in Connecticut. It's about an hour and 20 minutes from where I live, even though Connecticut's not that big. So the plan is to get there before sunrise, hike to the summit, so I can catch the sunrise, because supposedly this place has one of the best sunrises in Connecticut, so I guess we'll have to be the judge of that. So I'll catch you at the trailhead. Alright, so I just arrived at the trailhead. I'm gonna go ahead and throw my micro spikes on right now so that I don't have to stop, because I only have an hour until sunrise, so I kinda have to haul. So yeah, let me get to that. Got the spikes on. It's time to hit the trail. I was gonna throw the GoPro on, but it's too dark for you to see anything, so I'll see you at the summit.
It looks like I'm gonna need the spikes anyway. Look at this. The whole parking lot is ice.
All right, it's about 20 minutes to sunrise. You can see it's starting to come up. So, have some light. Decided to turn the headlamp off. I got the GoPro on, so I can show you guys what I'm working with. Putting micro spikes on in the beginning of this trail was the best idea I could have possibly done. The trail started with a pretty steep incline. Now it kind of leveled out. I got a little less than a mile and a half until summit. Oh, little river crossing. Hope I didn't ruin my spikes on that rock. I'm gonna start a light jog, which obviously is not part of the plans, but you know, stuff happens. Back to incline again. Got a mile left. Here I am, running again. I am so close. The sun just peeked through. All right, I'm gonna post up here because I am missing the sunrise. And yes, I'm probably right around the corner, but I might as well just set up now. This looks like a good shot right through the trees. And I probably only have a few more minutes of this view. Everything's frosted around me. Like, look at the trees. But this is amazing. I'm not even at the summit yet, and this view. So I came out from here, probably I'd say 0.2 to the summit. It's got to be right there. But saw this little pull off. The sun was coming up, and I had to stop. This view is amazing. Didn't want to miss it. I have the camera recording a time lapse right now, and this is what it looks like.
Wake up in your crystal sky.
I'd say mission successful. It's just after 8. I've been up here for like 40 minutes now, so I'm gonna start heading down. I'm getting cold, but thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.